In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify GitHub release zip file integrity. A release zip can be corrupted or altered without its file name changing, so we'll compare the digest GitHub published with the one calculated from your downloaded file. Let's start by opening the GitHub release and copying its published digest. Open the GitHub page in your browser using the link shared in the comments below this video. Once the page loads, scroll all the way down to the Assets section at the bottom of the release. If the list is collapsed, click Assets to expand it so you can see every file that was uploaded. Now look through the list and find GitHub CLI 2.96.0 Windows AM64. If you haven't already downloaded it, go ahead and download it now so you have a local copy to verify. Beside that row's digest value, you'll see a small overlapping squares copy icon. Click that icon to copy the digest to your clipboard. Your clipboard now holds the digest GitHub recorded for that uploaded asset. Next, let's calculate the downloaded SAP's SHA digest. Open PowerShell from your desktop so you have a command window ready to work with. Now we'll save the copied GitHub digest without its optional prefix. Copy the first command line from the pinned comment, paste it into PowerShell, and once it's in the window, press Enter to run it. This stores the published fingerprint as a variable you can compare against. Then, calculate the downloaded ZSAP's digest by copying the next command line from the pinned comment. Paste it into PowerShell and press Enter to run the calculation. Give it a moment to process the file. PowerShell has now stored both the GitHub digest and the locally calculated digest. Lastly, let's compare the two digests. Run an exact comparison by copying the final command line from the pinned comment. Paste it into PowerShell and press Enter to trigger the check. Read the results shown in the PowerShell window. Keep the zip only when it says match. If it says mismatch, do not open the zip, delete it, and download a fresh copy from the release page. PowerShell displays match file is intact when the downloaded zip SHA digest exactly equals the immutable digest GitHub recorded for the release asset. A mismatch result means the local file differs and should not be opened. Congratulations!